Hello, my name is Connie and I would like to teach you some basics about AutoCAD. First we should open a new drawing, then we go to New here. Then we open the new drawing and you can see here is all the tools we are going to use when we are working. Here is all the drawing tools like line, circle, rectangle, spline, and here is the modify tools if you want to move or rotate or trim, copy. We are going to learn about these in more details as we work. Here you see annotation for writing text and making dimensions. Up here is more tools. You can create blocks, but that we will do later on in this course. So many tools we should get to know later on. In this line you can see the drawings which are open. If you want a new drawing, you can just press the plus sign and you have another drawing. If you want to close it, you just press this X sign. So first of all, we should start to make a template to use for our drawings. In the template, we need more layers. You see here now in this one we have layers. I have to close this one. And we will press new up here. There you find the templates. We go to AutoCAD ISO. And then you will see there is no layers here. So we will go to layer properties. And we go to the new. You see where I'm pointing. There we can write contour for the first line, and we can choose a color. I like yellow on that one. You can take what you like, but for making it more easy to follow me, you maybe should have the same colors. Line type continues. Then we make another one. We call this hidden. I like to have this gray, OK. And this, I want to load a new line. I don't want this to be solid line. I want it to be a hidden line. I press load, go down. Here I find a hidden one. I choose this one. Hidden number 75. And I have to choose it. OK. So then I press new again. Now I like to have a center line. This should be white, OK. And line type, I have to load another one. Center dash dot I like. OK. OK. So now I also need a dimension line. So I take a new one, call it dimension. Take red color. So this should be continuous. OK. I think we have enough layers now. So we can save this. We go up here, save as drawing template. We can call it drawing template. You can call it 1 if you like. I call it 3 because I already made some. Save. OK. So now we are ready to draw something. I know I take contour layer and I will show you what we are going to draw first. First we can try this one. It's a cylinder. It's diameter 40 and it's 100 millimeter long. So I will try to make it difficult. There. There. Okay. We will start with a rectangle. So it should snap to the grid. If it's not snapping, we have to choose grid snap. Yeah. Then, now it's snapping. So there you can follow them. You see as I move in the X direction, it's now 40, now it's 70, 80, 90, 100. And in the Y direction, it's 20, 30, 40. Yes? 40. Then we make the circle. If it's not snapping to the midpoint, you have to go down to the snap here and go to snap settings. You should choose object snap and you have to see that it's checked in the midpoint. If it's not checked, you check it by pressing it. OK. Now it should snap to the midpoint. Then you can make a circle out from here. At the diameter, you press B, enter for diameter, and write 40, enter. Then we should have a center line. You go to annotate here, center mark for the circle. So it's a little difficult when it's on the grid snap. So you go down, take polar snap. It's more easy to choose the circle. I chose the wrong line. Take regret, undo. home again and choose the center line. Again, I go to annotate, center mark, there. And I want to have a center line in the center here. I press center line. I press both lines and the line will come in the center. I go home again. Now I like to have dimensions on this drawing, so I choose dimension layer. I take linear dimension, choose one endpoint and the other endpoint. It's 100. So I want to make dimension to the circle. I choose diameter, choose the circle, and it's diameter 40. That should be correct. Let's check. Yes, 140. So we should save the drawing. You can go up here, save as, or you can choose the square here, save as drawing. But normally I take this one, save as. It's more quick. Lesson 1, save. Okay. Now we have saved it. So, to be good in AutoCAD, you need to practice and practice. That's what's helped. So, I think until the next YouTube video, you can try to make almost the same figure. It's the same length, but the circle is half. So, and you can also draw the one we draw today again. First I like to teach you a little quicker method to make the rectangle. Then you don't even need the grids. You can hide the grids. And you can choose contour, rectangle. And you can choose anywhere you want to start. You press it. Then you write alpha. And you write the X direction, 100, comma, 40. Enter. It's very quick. But if you think it's difficult, you should use the grid in the start. I can show you. This is the command I use for the rectangle, alpha, 100 for the X direction, comma, 40 for the Y direction, and enter. So that also you can practice until the next lesson. Thank you for watching, and I hope you will follow me in another YouTube video.